Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to be talking to you about pilot training in India. Well, I'm going to talk about none other than Epaulettes Aviation, as you can see right there, and why should you be joining us, rather the benefits of joining us. First of all, many of you would aspire to become pilots. So, when you join us, we will help you to analyze whether pilot as a profession is the right career choice for you or not. And also over here, we provide the right guidance for all of your queries regarding the DGCA Class 1 and Class 2 medicals, board verification, computer number, and all your other documents that will be required. Here, you will also have an access to unlimited study material for your pilot preparation till you reach to the position of the left side in your cockpit. Over here, we also provide experienced guidance for your cadet pilot program, IGRUA, that is your Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy exams, flying school exams, and also Coast Guard selection. You will also be given all the relevant guidance for your pilot training in India as well as abroad, that includes Canada, Australia, USA, South Africa, New Zealand, and all the other countries. We will also inform you about the best flying school available as well as the time period in which you should apply. Here you will also be updated on the vacancies and the current affairs of aviation, which would be very important for you to know. You will be updated on your DGCA exams, the circulars, as well as the proper guidance on how to apply and crack your DGCA exams easily. Something very important, that is the financial guidance to obtain an education loan from the right bank and branch. Here we provide you relevant guidance for the airline written exams, your queries, interviews, group discussions, softwares, as well as special guidance from experienced people from the aviation field. And if you have to be a pilot, your appearance matters. Well, over here you will be groomed, you will be trained for your physical appearance, on how the uniform should be, appearance and manners, as well as confidence and communication skills. You will be provided with proper counseling to take all the right steps and how to avoid the wrong ones. Here you will gain the best knowledge from some of the most experienced personnel in the aviation field. If you have any queries, please feel free to message us on our WhatsApp number. All your queries will be replied to very soon. So now you know where do you have to go for all your queries related to your pilot training. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!